roam,
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 Okay.
to go from place to place without purpose.
roam,
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 Okay. Can you spell it?
R-O-M-A, roam.
Can you spell it?
R-O-A-M, roam.
Okay. What's up?
And
Wonder. Okay. Drift. Okay. Okay. Next up, I spy.
roaming by spiders
Creeping.
before my eyes. There,
Sticky.
sticky,
Okay. Sticky thread. Sticky. Okay. Sticky. This is sick. Okay. Sticky is adjective. Sticky. Yeah, sticky. What's
roam,
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 roam. To go from place to place without purpose. Wonder.
good? Wrong. Sticky. Sticky is the adjective of sick.
silky,
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 silky. Means
silky,
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 silky.
Okay.
It's
There's a sick. Okay. Sticky is adjective.
adjective
Okay.
made
Of silk. Okay. Or softer, smooth, or shine and shining like a silk. Okay.
like silk, smooth, soft, and shiny like silk.
silky,
Silky, adjective.
Okay.
The cat has a silky coat. The
Yes. Okay. Anyway.
silky,
Silky.
that's silky.
Okay. There.
Silky threads already add
Deadly.
deadly
Okay. The spider sticky threads. Okay. What he means this? Spiders. Silky threads. You see that they are spider silky threads. Deadly. Where to sleep? Sleep on.
beds,
Okay.
deadly beds.
Deadly means dangerous. Could make people die. Okay. Deadly. Dangerous. What's that?
Silky,
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 silky.
Okay.
Smooth, soft, and shiny like silk. Dress.
deadly,
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 deadly. Deadly.
Okay. Okay.
D-E-A-D-L-Y, deadly. Able to cause death.
Okay.
Can make people sick.
Can make people dead. Okay.
It can make people
Okay.
dead.
Yeah.
It can make people dead.
Okay. Deadly.
Can make
Can spell it.
D-E-A-D-L-Y, deadly.
Okay. So the secret threats are deadly.
Beds for all the buzzing fires.
Okay, let's just answer the question.
The bolded text shows the metaphor which compares two things without using like or as one.
Okay, basically the
Base
thread
six
are deadly bad. So two things.
So-
Threads
so bad.
threads and bad. Okay, they're two different things, right?
Different
And
things
compare it.
to compare. What is the purpose of this text?
Okay, let's look it.
Shows. Let's show how we read this. This is. It shows that spider webs trap the fires in the garden. It hits
Hints, okay.
that the webs will hurt the new tomatoes. It suggests that the fireflies and spiders work together in the garden.
Okay, do you know which one?
It shows that spider webs trap the
Flyers.
in the garden.
Flyer.
Okay.
Okay, flyers.
Fires. Okay.
Flyers. Okay.
So
Okay, let's keep reading the last part.
I could have grown in the past.
Past, okay, the bugs. Or the bugs, pests.
The past.
Yeah, that's pests. Okay. What's that?
Deadly.
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 Deadly. Able to cause death.
Okay.
Able to cause death.
Okay. Past.
Yes.
Pest.
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 Pest. An animal or insect
Good.
that causes
Causes.
Problems for people,
Especially
by
damage crops.
Pest.
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 Okay.
These insects, birds are pets.
Pests.
Pest from farmers. For farmers.
Okay.
Pest.
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 Okay, can I spell?
P-E-S-T. Pest. D.
Yeah, this pest.
This
okay.
Pest.
Pest. Okay. I could have grown in a
Pest. Few.
free.
Free.
Pest free.
Free. Pest. Free.
What does that mean? Means no pest.
No pest.
Okay.
No pest. Or free. That means no pest. Pest free. Okay. So.
Zone.
Soon.
Zone is area. Pest
Soon.
free zone. Okay. Okay, what's that?
Pest.
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 Pest. These insects, birds are pests for farmers.
Okay.
Read one more. Then
Zone.
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 Zone. It spells
Zone.
zone. An area that is different from other areas in a particular way.
Okay, zone is an area.
Zone.
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 Okay,
It's a di-
that's a. Okay, I could have grown in a pest-free
zone.
chasing
Insects from other their place, but creeping crawlies.
That Matt. I think I did miss this. So,
Zone.
Zone.
Zone. Zone.
okay,
An area that is different from other areas.
okay. No. No, only adjective.
Crawley.
Crawl,
Crawley.
crawl,
Corny.
Crawley.
crawl,
Okay. Tuberculosis along close to. Okay, so and some insects, okay, or spider that are tuberculosis.
insect or spider that it typically
Typically.
crawls.
Okay, corny.
Crawley.
Crawley,
Crawley.
crawley,
Crawley.
crawl.
Okay, what's that?
Now,
Okay. Corny. But the creepy.
crawlies matter too. They need a home, a little space.
Okay.
The bolded text requires and
Inference.
or a guess about missing details
Good.
based on the text, which is sentence is most likely to be true.
Yeah.
The spider
Good.
the speaker gives up trying to grow tomatoes in the garden.
Okay.
The garden is too crowded
Good.
with the tomatoes and the worms, the spiders and the flies. The speaker doesn't mind seeing insects, worms, and spiders in the garden.
Okay. So which one?
This one
Okay.
in the garden summit.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
What is the main theme of the
Poem.
poem? Growing your own food is more
Rewarding.
I-
Okay. Rewarding. Rewarding. Get a reward. Okay.
Crowley,
Okay.
Crawley.
Crawley,
Crawley.
Crawley,
Crawley.
Okay. The animals that cross, the insects. That's crony. Cross. The crony. Rewarding.
Rewarding.
rewarding,
Rewarding.
rewarding,
Rewarding. Rewarding.
rewarding.
Okay. I think I can stop